Remove the seat cushions from the seat deck, then angle the seat deck front slider to be under the ledge of both arms. Once the slider is under both arms, move the slider toward the front. The slider should butt up and be flush with the front spreader. The slider should easily move underneath the arms. If it does not, loosen the arm bolts slightly and retest. Attach the cheek plate linking bar to the front support. Install the hardware in this order: H235 bolt, H067 washer, cheek plate linking bar, H120 roller bearings, then H767 nylock nut.